purchased a home in Maryland, and it was needed a full remodel, needed a new roof, new gutters. The whole house needed to be redone inside. I had received about 4 or so quotes. DC Home Remodeling wasn't the cheapest one, but I've seen their previous work, and their bids included everything. And after speaking with Mr. Mustafa and getting the prices and getting the scope of work, I was very comfortable to proceed. I also seen that they had over, I think, 300 reviews online. A lot of contractors said that they would take about 3 months or so, and it took some time to get started. Mustafa said he can get it done in 6 weeks or less. And I'm really glad that I went with him. He did get it done within 6 weeks or less. The work was amazing. I even did a pre-inspection and couldn't find anything wrong with his work. So I'm really excited. I listed the house actually recently, and I was able to get, he gave us a price that wasn't the lowest price, but he included everything in his bid, and he had some really good quality work and with the material. So we went with him, and he said that he would be done in 6 weeks, and true to form, he was able to remodel the home within less than 6 weeks. And I put the house on the market, and I was able to receive an all-cash offer at $25,000 above list. So I really want to thank Mr. Mustafa and DC Home Remodeling, and I look forward to doing more houses with them.